Hey butterflies, welcome back to another video. This is my unboxing video from Erin Condren. You can tell by the packaging. I actually have never ordered from Erin Condren before. When I lived in California, I lived really close to the original Erin Condren shop, so I would either go in there or just buy locally. So yeah, this is my first ever unboxing, like officially in a box. So let's see what's in here. So the only thing I've done so far is, do the, what do you call it? Okay. So I'm going like old school. I'm just holding you. But here's the little welcome package. This is for my sister. It is the Wonder Woman notebook, and it's really nice. So I'm not going to take it out of the package because, yeah, it's for my sister, and it's a surprise. This I'm really excited about having. I've never had the, what is this called? Ruler divider, because mine never did come with that. But this is my planner that I picked. This is the peony, but I picked it with the purple, so it would have the inside. Here's more welcome packet stuff. This is the weekly, and I'm trying horizontal for the first time, because I think this is going to be my teacher planner, and so like my regular weekly planner is going to be my happy planner, and then this is going to be my teacher planner, because you can either put something nice here, or like my appointments are going to go here and my lesson plan here. So that is my plan. And then in the monthly, again, I can just put my plans. I'm not putting a lot of stickers in it, so I really wanted it to be really pretty, and I can put things like I don't know, my brain's not working, but it has some really pretty, I just thought it was pretty. The back has some stickers to go with it, a couple pages worth, which will be nice. And then it has the pocket. I have some stickers at work that I can put in there. And then it came with the perpetual planner, which I already have one, but that's still cool to have. And yeah, so there's that one. This is the weekly that I'll be using at work. And then this one is a monthly planner, and I picked this because I thought maybe I would, like, it reminds me of like geodes and stuff like that, and I thought science, and I thought I might switch them, but then I remembered like the inside of that is like that, so I'm just gonna keep it like that. And this is a cool cover. Otherwise I would have gotten the butterflies, but my friend already gave me a notebook with the butterflies on it. So yeah, this is the monthly planner, and this one I am planning on using as my budget planner. So I'm going to be using budget stickers from my friend Roma Plans. She has really awesome stickers that are printable, so I already have been buying them from her, and I just haven't used them yet. But since it's so late in the month, I probably will do January's and play with them to figure it out, and then in February I will have a plan with me using it. But I'm hoping, the idea is that like this area will be for my like spending tracking, like if I buy anything, or my bills, so I can see when and where I'm spending my money. And then these will be like the standard like fill-in places. So I also have the one that's digital that I do. But okay, I was getting ready to edit this, and I remembered what I was thinking when I got this cover. This is the one I was telling you that my friend Michelle from Romo Plans got me. It is just the notebook, but it has the butterflies on it. So what I was going to do is I'm going to take the notebook to work, and I was going to use this because we're doing like geology and stuff, and I was going to switch it and put this one on this one since I'm going to be using her stickers in this one. So yeah, so those are what I got. I think they're so cute and I can't wait to use them, so I'm definitely going to be setting this baby up soon. Not that there's much to set up, but I'm going to start playing with it here in just a little bit. So I'm very excited, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!